Hello everyone, I am Manjay Yadav and going to do the assignment for presentations ICT 761. So let's start with the raw data sets. We can see that the sheet contains the transactions, transaction level, sales data, including the collection, quantity, unit price, discount totals, customer as, country channels by, and this raw data is the base used for all further analysis excels. So next move to the sales by the collections. Now I'm gonna explain this one. In this one, in this one I can say that the pivot table summarize total sales by the collections. It helps us quickly compare which collection performs better, and from the result we can see that the some channels such as demo and the foggy generates a higher total sales compared to others, and the bar chart visually supports in these comparisons. Now I would like to talk about the line charts. In the line chart, we can see that like the line chart shows the revenue trends over times based on purchase days, and this trend indicates the sales remains relatively steady with some negotiable peaks. And this analysis helps business identify the periods on higher sales activity for the planning, promotion, and inventory. So now let's talk about the country with channels. In this one, I can say that this pivot tables shows analyze the total sales by country and the purchase channels. It allows us to like compare how different countries performs across online store and event booth channels, and this also identify which markets and the sales channels contribute of the most overall revenue. Now moving to the next, I can see here like the regressions let's talk about the regression output here. So, regression analysis was used to like the predict total sales using the variables such as the quantity, unit price, tax amount, and the customer age. And the I square value shows the model explains a large portion of the sales variations, and this indicates the regression model is a good fit and useful for the prediction and decision making. Now, I would like to move to the correlation data here. I can see here. And let's talk about the correlation. Let's talk about the correlation output here. We can see here the in the correlation output like the quantity and the unit price discount, total price and tax amount, and the customer as well. So now moving to the next to talk about the dashboards. In the dashboard, you can see that like the dashboard combines the key charts and pivot tables into one view, and it includes like the sales by collections, sales trends, and the discounts versus sales relationships. And one more, we can say that like interactive slicers allows filtering by collection and the country, making the analysis dynamics. And this dashboards helps management quickly understand the performance and make data driven decisions. Now moving to the next, I can see here the insight and the recommendations. In this one, I would like to talk about like we can say that the based on the analysis, sales performance varies across the collection, and some collection generates higher revenue, and sales trends remains relatively stable, and discounts have a positive impact on the total sales. And it is recommended to focus on high performing collections, applying discount strategically, and regularly monitor the sales using Excel dashboards. Now I can talk about like the discount versus total sales as well, like the total sales. I can say that this scatter plot shows the relationship between discount and the total sales. A trend line was added to visually support the regression analysis, and the positive trend indicates that the higher discount generally leads to the higher sales, confirming the regression results. And in conclusion, I can say that like the Excel was effectively used to perform the business analytics and business intelligence, and the analysis provides valuable insights that can support the better business decision making. Thank you for listening me.